don't know what it is, but I love when I see the designs on the trains. I guess it makes it look so interesting. And just to know, don't know like well, how far these trains have come, but it is so cool, you know, looking at the different graffiti. It's like, do people take time and they know the train is going to be in a certain place at a certain time to be able to finish their artwork, or are people like doing the artwork together, like a format, like you do this part and I do that part, because it be so uniquely done and the colors will be so pretty and everything. And I'm here at the train, you know, waiting on my turn to go, but it looks like the train has completely stopped. And it's just so neat looking at, like I said, the graffiti, to know if it's from, I don't know, New York or New Jersey. It makes me think about all those old-fashioned movies you used to watch, those dance movies, and they'll get through dancing and then go out and from the dancing, then they would go out and actually paint on the trains with the little cans and everything. It makes you wonder, where did all of it start from? Like, what was the purpose that people started painting? Or, you know, maybe seeing their wanted their artwork to travel the world, right? Because that's what it's doing. It's actually traveling the world and everything. And I like that I'm able to sit here and do it, but look like the train has completely stopped and everything. So, and people are turning around in their cars. But look at all that artwork. It's just getting me closer to the artwork. I do need to make a left and everything. My look, I'll go around and oh man, it's a lot of cars that way. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. I think I'm gonna turn around too, like all these cars are doing, because the train looks like it's not moving at all. And it's a little side street that I want to go. But look at all the cars just to go with the train. All right. Thank y'all for joining me on A Sister's Trust. These are all the cars that they're going to be in a surprise that when they get down to the end of the road, it's a long train there. All right.